Jamaica's Hotelier and Caribbean hospitality giant Gordon Butch Stewart is dead. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, today's video is one on not such a happy note, but looking back on his life, we can say that he was a great builder of this country, a contributor to our economy. And so, on that note, we can be happy for the life that he lived. Yes, guys, based on the title, you would have seen Jamaica's hotelier and hospitality giant Gordon Butch Stewart has died. The business mogul was 79 years old. It is reported that he had been suffering from an illness which his family did not disclose. Adam Stewart said his father has recently been diagnosed with the illness. In a statement, he said, "It is with great sadness that I share with you today the passing of our founder and chairman and my father, Gordon Butch Stewart." This news seems almost unbelievable since our chairman was as involved and forward-thinking as ever. He chose to keep a very recent health diagnosis private, and we respect that wish. The Honorable Butch Stewart, OJ, a distinction he was so proud of, was a gifted entrepreneur. He was a marketing genius and talented showman. But those who knew him best recognized that he was a dreamer who could dream bigger and better than anyone. It was often said the best thing for people around him to do is to be dream catchers. That is why he always credited his success to the incredible team around him. Why he listened intensely when it came to creating innovative things that would excite the delight of our guests. And why is it so important that I remind you today of all days that we will all continue to be his dream catchers? He went on to say that my dad lived a big life. Husband, father, grandfather, great-grandfather, entrepreneur, statesman, dreamer, a singular personality, an unstoppable force who reveled in defying the odds, exceeding expectations, and whose passion for his family was matched only by the people and possibility of the Caribbean, for whom he was a fierce champion. There will never be another quite like him, and we will miss him forever. While I need to be with family right now, I look forward to speaking with you soon and sharing thoughts about the incredible future of this company built by this most incredible man. Butch Stewart will certainly be remembered as one of the most influential Jamaicans, with 16 stunning beachfront properties in Jamaica, Antigua, St. Lucia, Bahamas, Barbados, and Grenada. Sandals Resort offers more quality inclusion than any other resort company on the planet. Sandals Resort is part of the family-owned Sandals Resort International, which includes company. But Stewart was indeed an icon. He will surely be missed. And so, on behalf of Island Girl Review and all of us here, we just want to extend our condolences to the family of the Sandals Resort International, the ATL group, and his immediate family, his children, friends, and loved ones. And as we say here, walk good, Butch. You have fought a good fight. So sleep on, brother.